Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. After having a long break, your ma'am is back with a new topic. It is poster making. We can clarify in our mind that posters are colorful and they convey a message. And the most thing is that here you have a chance to show your creativity. You can write slogans and draw related pictures, and you can write with good handwritings with different types of letters. You can express these all things through the poster. Second thing is that word limit of this question in exam is 50 words. So when you make a poster, remember something one by one we will see all the points. First of all, this poster aim is convey the message or give information. Because of word limit should be short and then attractive also. It should be eye catching. When you make a poster, see the points to remember. Title heading must be bold and dark. Then use slogans below the headings or taglines, and should be written like save water, save earth. Then information and points must be highlighted. Use signs to highlight the important points and informative points. Then use symbols and sketches related to the topic. Last thing is that suppose you give an information in the poster, you have to mention time, venue and date. So all these things are must be in that. Now let's learn how to finish. After forming a poster, write name, address of the authority which issued the poster. At last, cover your poster by drawing a box like notice and advertisement. Now, let's see one example of this topic. Question is, draw up a poster to spread awareness against coronavirus. You all are familiar with the current situation COVID-19. So, to make the people aware for this, let's make a poster. At first, at the top, write a heading in dark and bold letters. Here I have written beware of coronavirus. Below that I told you have to write slogan. So here I have written a slogan, go corona go. This one is very famous. Next thing is that you have to highlight the points. Here I have written the points of symptoms of coronavirus. They are coughing, sneezing, fever, runny nose, headache and shortness of breath. These are informative points for the people. Then what should we do or what should not be done are shown and written like do's and don'ts. So what to do? Wash your hands, wear mask, maintain social distancing. Then let's write don'ts. Touch face repeatedly, shake hands, use cold things. Then I have shown a scientific name of corona is COVID-19 by making a drawing. Then one more thing I have told you that make some symbols or sketches relevant to the topic. Here I made a drawing of a coronavirus and have written a slogan. Inside it is say no to corona. On the other side, home has been drawn and again I wrote a slogan in it that stay home, stay safe. Then I have made a mask and written a message on it. Masks are must. Dear all, you have seen that everything is relevant to the topic. And at last, who has issued this poster? You have to write the name of the organization. Here, in the question, organization name is not mentioned, so I have written issued by World Health Organization, and at last put your poster in a box. Now it's time to do your homework. I have attached a slide of homework inside this video, so read it carefully and do it in your fair notebook of English grammar of writing portion. The questions are: make a poster on the topic of water conservation. Number 2, Design a poster on the topic India of my dreams, write catchy slogans. Number 3, poster on the needs and ways to save electricity. So dear students, I hope you all have understood well. Thank you so much. We will be back again into the next lecture. Stay home, stay safe.